Welcome to this training session on understanding key performance indicators. Today, we will dive into what KPIs are, why they are important, and how to effectively utilize them to measure and improve performance across various aspects of your organization. Let's get started. The very first question is, what are key performance indicators? Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are measurable values that demonstrate how effectively a company is achieving its key business objectives. Organizations use KPIs at multiple levels to evaluate their success in reaching targets. There are different types of KPIs. Let's now take a look at them. There are various types of KPIs that organizations can use to measure performance. Operational and quality KPIs focus on metrics related to efficiency and product or service quality. Maintenance KPIs track the performance of maintenance activities. Safety performance KPIs assess the safety performance of contractors. Lastly, contractor performance KPIs evaluate the overall performance of contractors, including quality, adherence to schedules, cost management, and client satisfaction. Let us look at each of these KPIs in detail. So, starting with operation and quality KPIs. The objective of operational and quality KPIs is to measure the efficiency and quality of operations. Many common metrics can be used to measure this, which can include production output, defect rates, process cycle time, and customer satisfaction scores. Once we measure and evaluate these parameters, which can drive useful insights from them. For instance, higher production output and lower defect rates generally indicate better performance, while shorter process cycle times and higher customer satisfaction scores reflect operational excellence. Next is maintenance KPIs. Maintenance KPIs track the performance and effectiveness of maintenance activities. The common metrics used to measure these activities include equipment downtime, mean time between failures, MTBF, maintenance cost as a percentage of total operating cost, and preventive maintenance completion rate. We can evaluate these metrics to derive potential insights such as lower equipment downtime and higher MTBF indicate better maintenance practices, while lower maintenance costs and higher preventive maintenance completion rates are signs of effective maintenance management. Moving on to safety KPIs. Safety performance KPIs, or Contractor Safety Scorecards, CSSC, assess the safety performance of contractors. Safety performance can be measured using common metrics which include the number of safety incidents, compliance with safety regulations, effectiveness of safety training programs, and safety audit scores. These metrics can give us critical insights and effectively ensure safety during operations. For instance, fewer safety incidents and higher compliance indicate a safer work environment. Effective training programs and high safety audit scores reflect a strong safety culture. Lastly, let us look at contractor performance KPIs. Contractor performance KPIs, or Contractor Performance Scorecards, CPSC, evaluate the overall performance of contractors. The common metrics used to evaluate contractor performance include quality of work, adherence to project schedules, cost management, and client satisfaction. We can gain insightful information through these KPIs, such as high-quality work and adherence to schedules reflect reliable contractors, while effective cost management and high client satisfaction scores indicate strong contractor performance. Now let's understand how to prepare and use these KPIs. To effectively leverage key performance indicators, KPIs, within your organization, follow these steps. The first step is to define objectives. Clearly articulate what you want to measure and the reasons behind it. Define specific business goals such as increasing operational efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction, or improving safety standards. Clear objectives set the foundation for selecting the right KPIs. Next, select relevant KPIs. Choose KPIs that are directly aligned with your defined objectives. Ensure that these indicators are relevant, measurable, and actionable. For example, if your objective is to improve customer satisfaction, select KPIs such as Net Promoter Score, NPS, or customer feedback ratings. Next step is to collect data. Implement a consistent and accurate data collection process. Ensure that the data sources are reliable and the data collected is up to date. This could involve using software tools, automated systems, or manual data entry depending on the nature of the KPI. After this, next step is to analyze data. Regularly analyze the collected data to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Use statistical tools and software to interpret the data, making it easier to understand and visualize. Look for correlations and causations that can help in decision-making. Now you need to act on insights. Utilize the insights gained from data and analysis to drive decisions and improvements. Develop action plans based on the data, addressing any identified issues or opportunities. This step ensures that KPIs are not just numbers, but are used to foster positive changes within the organization. Lastly, review and update. Periodically review your KPIs to ensure they remain relevant to your business objectives. As your business evolves, your KPIs may need to be updated or replaced. Regular reviews help in keeping the performance measured with the current business context and goals. By following these steps, you can ensure that your KPIs are effectively driving performance improvements and helping your organization achieve its strategic objectives. Let us look at the example of the Contractor Performance Scorecard, CPSC, to understand KPIs better. It measures the overall performance of contractors, including safety execution and other enablers. The Contractor Performance Scorecard, CPSC, evaluates contractor performance across key dimensions. Let us look at each dimension. 1. First dimension is health, safety and environment, accounting for 20% weightage. It includes Safety Audit Score, 15%, which reflects adherence to safety standards, and LTI-MTI FAI, 5%, which tracks incidents per month, with fewer incidents indicating better safety performance. Next dimension is execution, accounting for 25% weightage. This includes availability of tools, 5%, which measures the percentage of tool availability to ensure work efficiency. Deployment of manpower, 5%, which assesses the percentage deployment of manpower, reflecting effective workforce utilization. And equipment availability, 15%, that indicates the percentage availability of equipment, highlighting minimal downtime. Next dimension is process enablers, which totals to another 20%. This includes MIS compliance, 5%, which evaluates compliance with management information system requirements. Participation in initiatives, 5%, that tracks participation in continuous improvement programs like Kaizen and TPM. Punctuality attendance, 5%, that measures attendance records, indicating workforce discipline. And reward and recognition scheme, 5%, that reflects involvement in recognition programs, promoting motivation. Quality is another dimension of the CPSCC, which accounts for 15%. It includes compliance to RCA requests, 5%, measures the completion rate of root cause analysis requests. PM task list compliance, 5%. Assesses adherence to preventive maintenance tasks. And strike maintenance, 5%. Lastly, the others dimension accounts for 20% weightage. It includes adherence to skill development plan, 5%. 5S and housekeeping, 5%. Engagement in CLTI of equipment, 5%. And IT SAP literate manpower, 5%. These metrics provide a comprehensive evaluation of contractor performance, driving continuous improvement and better management. Now let us look at our KPI performance sheet from March 2024. It shows the weighted scores for various KPIs such as operation and quality, maintenance, safety performance, and contractor performance. As can be seen, our total weightage score for March 2024 is 74.74. This sheet helps in tracking performance against targets, identifying areas for improvement, and making informed decisions based on data. So to summarize, understanding and utilizing KPI scorecards are crucial for enhancing performance monitoring through effective KPI analysis. Continuous improvement and adjustment of KPIs ensure they align with business goals, driving better decision-making and operational excellence. Thank you for participating in this training session on understanding key performance indicators. We hope you found this session informative and useful.